Hi friends, this is Peter. Today I have come up with a video on the nomination, how to add the nominee in your trading account. If you don't add the nominee, what will happen to your account after March 2022? SEBI has clearly instructed that if you doesn't add the nominee in your account before March 2022, your account will be blocked or frozen. So all the broker is sending the reminder to everyone. So how to add that nominee in your account? That we are going to see. Adding the nominee is become very easy. It is online. Across the broker they are providing online option. Today I am showing on Fyers trading platform how to add the nominee. Few simple steps are there that I'm going to show you step by step here. So before starting my video, those who are new to my channel, please subscribe this channel and do not forget to share this video those who are having a trading account. Also from next week, I'm going to start sharing the Nifty and Banknifty analysis. Already I was doing that due to some my personal work. I have stopped sharing that. So again, I'm going to share that. Right. We'll start the video now. Here you can see the my account section. You can see this my account section and the top bar. Right. You have to just click on the my account section. Once you go to my account section, here you can see the automatically the message will pop up online nomination. Okay. Just you have to click on the proceed to submit. Right here you have I wish to nominate. Just click on the I wish to nominate, and here you need to write down the name of the nominee and few details you should keep handy to add the nominee. One is nominee name and date of birth, and bank account number will be better to add because anything goes wrong with us, that means anything happens to us, the fund will be credited to nominee's account. Okay, so it is better to add the nominee account, and you should have a nominee other number to e-sign your process that I am going to show you step by step. Right, it is very easy and simple method. Right, I am just adding the nominee. Okay, and date of birth of the nominee, right, pin code of your address, and the city will be automatically fetched if your pin code is right, and state which state you are belong to, and relationship with the nominee, right, and mobile number of the nominee, and email address of the nominee, and select the nominee identification here. I'm selecting saving bank account, or you can select demat account also. Right, you have to enter the nominee account number if you selected the account. Okay, and here there is one more option available. You can add the second nominee also. Click on the second nominee. The same detail you need to add. You can add three nominee also here, right? And finally, in this second, after adding the second nominee, there is a sharing percentage they are asking for. If you want to share equally, you just click on the equal. If you want to share the amount among the two nominee, you can click on the percentage, what percentage you want to share. If you want to share the first nominee 60% and second nominee 40%, you can just have a percentage here. Okay, 60-40 like that, or 50-50, anything. If 50-50, you can just click on the equal, no problem. Okay, and you can add third nominee also. Okay, adding second nominee option is this. I have added the nominee, all the details here. After adding all the details here, you need to just click on the submit button. You need to wait. If says this pop-up, you have to just click on the allow pop-up, right? Okay, allow pop-up. Now submit again. Yes, once submitted, this will lead to this e-sign. You need to proceed the e-sign method. Just click on the proceed to e-sign. Okay, after this, now you need to sign off this form. Okay, just click on this sign now. Now you have to tick this box. This, you can see my cursor here. Okay, just tick this, I accept here, and then you need to add the other number. Okay, you should keep handy the order card. You need to add the other number. Okay, and you need to click on the send OTP. The OTP will come to your linked number. Yes, I have received the OTP. Now I'm entering it, and just click on the verify OTP. Once the OTP is verified, you have successfully submitted. You can see submitted successfully. The nomination has been added successfully. This is the simple method you need to follow to add the nominee. I have made this video because a lot of people were asking how to add the nominee. So you can follow this simple step. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.